Welcome to our video on how to create deals in bulk through Seller Central. As sellers, you are always on the lookout to boost your sales, and one effective way of doing so is by creating time-bound promotional offers or deals. In this module, we'll be learning how you can create these deals in bulk. To create deals in bulk, go to Seller Central and by using the navigation menu, select Advertising. Click on Deals to access the Deals main page. Now, if you are creating a deal for the very first time, you'll be directed to this page where you can click on Create a New Deal to start creating a deal. But if you have already created deals in the past, you'll now be directed to this main page where you'll find all your scheduled deals laid out. Click on Create Deals to get to the Deal Recommendations page. Now you can create deals in two different ways, either one by one or in bulk. In this module, we'll be learning how to create deals in bulk. Here you can download all recommendations, which enables you to download all available recommendations from multiple regions in one file, or download selected products recommendations using the checkbox against each product to select a list of ASINs. You can also filter ASINs based on deal types, eligible stores, and events to download recommendations for selected products. Once you click on the checkbox, a floating tool will appear to download selected ASINs with two options. 1. Download selected ASINs with count. 2. Download all recommendations with count. Note that if you click the checkbox to choose products for downloading recommendations, it will disable the Select button used for the one-by-one deal scheduling workflow. Once you've chosen your method, you'll be redirected to the Manage in Bulk page, where you can track the status of bulk recommendations and downloading files under the Download tab. To create deals in bulk, use the downloaded recommendation template to input deal schedule, review deal price, and other data. Once you have downloaded the Excel file, visit the instructions page, read and understand it to fill in the other data accordingly. In the Deal Recommendation Template page, deal recommendations would be grouped together as per their marketplace, and ASINs would be grouped together as per their parent ASIN. Ensure that your input for the deal price is lower than your price. All the columns highlighted in green are editable. The file format accepted is XLSX format with a size not more than 5 megabytes. Click on Upload File and choose your file to upload to create deals. If any issue or error is detected while uploading, re-download the recommendation file and go to the error sheet. Here you can find a list of the errors made in the previously uploaded file as per the ASIN, SKU, and marketplace combination. The errors can also be spotted in the Deal Recommendation Template page, where you can spot the errors highlighted in red. Ensure to keep the file intact and fix the errors without altering any rows or column headings. Once you have fixed the errors, re-upload your file to continue your deal creation in bulk. Please note, the deal recommendations get updated on a weekly basis, hence ensure to download recommendations each time you want to create deals in bulk. For bulk management of your deals, you now have a permanent ingress called Manage Deals in Bulk on the Deals main page, which allows you to manage your promotions page effectively. Here you can also see a newly introduced section featuring your notifications about the status of your bulk upload or download requests. These notifications will automatically disappear 48 hours after the last updated status. You can click this link to upload files for creating deals or check the status of your upload/download requests. That wraps up our video on how to create deals in bulk. Thank you and happy selling!